Okay, here's a quick video when I keep talking about backer patches. This is what I'm talking about. We've got this hole here through the fiberglass, so we need some way when we put build it back up, we need something inside to back it so all the product just doesn't fall straight down in there. So I get some cardboard, and usually about a finger wide on either side, so measure it, and then I can fold it. We'll put some thickened epoxy, a little piece of fiberglass, a little more epoxy. We'll put a string through the middle of it. We'll have that string coming out. We'll fold it and put it inside all the way through, and then turn it and pull it flat, which will probably put it in like that, so that when we pull it flat, it butterflies open, you know, like a little molly bolt. Good product to use for that are these Total Boat boxes. They're part of several boats now. So we're going to do that hole there, and we're going to also do these huge holes on the transom. So we don't have a plug that big, don't need a hole that big. So we're going to backer patch, fill it, ferret, and then re-drill it through the epoxy for a just a standard size drain plug, unless some other information pops up in the next 5 minutes to prevent me from doing it. Those are backer patches.